Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you one of my sketchbook store. My name is Anjali and if you're not new here then thank you so much for tuning back in. Okay, so this is a pocket mini sketchbook that I made myself binding all the artworks that I did recently. It's super cute and super small and definitely a part of me growing and experimenting as an artist. For the front cover, I started with a little quote. I went with one of the quotes that I thought randomly during my lectures. I always like writing my name in the front cover as well. I have made little doodles along with it. I also mentioned the date when I started the first painting of this sketchbook and the date when the sketchbook was ultimately binded and finished. Flipping through the first page, I decided to start off with portraits. I thought to use watercolor as the medium and experiment with skin tones. I always love doing portraits. It's challenging, but then when you get the result, it's something that you can be proud of. Here was a really fun spread that I made. One of my friend is a food blogger and I just love going through the page on Instagram. So I took some inspiration from that and Pinterest as well. I decided to make some of these. I've been drawing since so many years and had never tried making eatables. So here it is. I really enjoyed making these and hope you guys loved it too. Next, I wanted to experiment with water droplets and work with contrast and different color gradients. So I came up with these and a really cool and fun spread came out with this. Here we have little paper boats waiting to show its moves in the rain. I also used black ballpoint pen to add further details and overall I'm happy with the outcome. I wanted to use bright colors for the next work and I came up with these. I have used my sketch pens to complete them and I loved how they came out. I overlooked my imperfections here and paid more attention in the process rather than the outcome. I think that's what sketchbooks are made for. Here, I have always had an obsession of drawing eyes. I used to fill all my textbooks with random eye drawings here and there. I never tried them with watercolors before, so this was the best time I think I could do so. I made a human eye and a cat eye as well because I found this very cute. I worked on fur as well and I think they came out quite well. While surfing, I came across some of these cool references. I thought to give them a try. I love watching stars and the moons and I spend most of my evenings like this. These gave me just the vibe of those beautiful night sky, so I thought why not draw them. Here are some of the quick illustrations that I did using watercolors and I defined them using ballpoint pen. This was a part of experiment that I did with my sketches and though not perfect but they came out quite well. Some more of my failed experiments with watercolors. I made this while watching Loki series. I definitely loved the series and I'm eagerly waiting for the next season to come. I just love drawing characters inspired by the current series I watch. And some more experiment with colors. I really wanted to bring some autumn vibes here, so I added different colors with different gradients. This is a practice work of water splash. I remember drawing this while it was raining outside and it really got the vibe. Loving how the results came out. I did this cute beach drawing and I really loved how this came out. Some other experimental works. I tried using ballpoint pen more in these and add detail with a base of watercolor. These are some other spreads that I defined later with ballpoint pens and also white gel pen. I added dark spreads for the background to see how the contrast makes the difference and experiment more. I'm not very much a sketchbook type person. I mean, usually my artworks are not organized in one sketchbook. So I thought if I cannot focus on filling a sketchbook completely with different artworks, so why not combine different artworks that I do randomly and organize them together and bind them to make a sketchbook. So that's pretty much how I finished my sketchbook. That was it for the sketchbook tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.